Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. Today we are going to learn how to write up a class trigger on contact. In this scenario, whenever user update the phone number of contact, the related account phone number will automatic updated. We will be achieving usage of Apex class trigger. So let's suppose we are going to update this phone number of contact. After saving the record, this phone number will be automatic updated the related account of phone number. Go to the related account. This phone number of account will automatic updated. So let's get the code. Code will be available on the w3wave.net article. This is a w3wave.net. This is a my personal blog. Here we are getting the we will be get the code from here. So let's this is a step 1. So follow the steps of w3wave.net tutorial. So according to the steps 1, we need to create a Apex class trigger name. So copy this trigger name, go to the developer console, create the trigger name. After that, copy all the code. So I am going to copy code of trigger, go to developer console and paste here. After saving the record, if file will successfully saved, then this functionality will be working fine. So let's get try from your side. I will be provide this article URL in the description of the video. Thank you so much.